to this video session. My name is Samuel Chukwuemeka. In this video session, we shall continue what we discussed in the previous video. So let's look at some word problems, some real-life applications of adding and subtracting like fractions. Number 8, Sita is still owing 7 out of 10 of her auto loan. She just paid 1 out of 10 of her loans. What fraction is still owed? So you look at the fraction that is still owed. Fraction still owed would be 7 out of 10, because this is the fraction she is still owing, and then she just paid 1 out of 10 from it. So this is 7 out of 10 minus 1 out of 10. Okay, or you take away 1 out of 10 from 7 out of 10. And that will give us, because they have the same denominator, they are like fractions. So this is 7 minus 1 out of 10, which is 6 out of 10. And then you ask yourself, what is the greatest common factor of 6 and 10? And of course, that will be 2, because 3 is not a factor of 10. Yeah, 4 is not either. So, and 5 is not a factor of 6. So the greatest common factor of 6 and 10 is 2. 2 divided 6 is 3. 2 divided 10 is 5. You have 3 out of 5. Okay? Now the next one, Samdom purchased 9 over 20 acre of land in 1997 and 3 over 20 acre in 1998. He planted tomatoes on 7 over 20 acre of the land and corn on the remainder. So he planted tomatoes on 7 over 20 acre and he planted corn on the remainder. How much land is planted in corn? So let's find it. Okay, now in 1997, he purchased what? 9 over 20 acres. In 1998, he purchased what? 3 over 20 acres. So altogether, how many acres did he purchase in both 1997 and 1998? So that means we have to add it. They have the same denominator, so they are like fractions. So this is 9 out of 20, okay? This gives 9 out of 20 plus 3 out of 20, and that gives us 12 out of 20. Yeah. Now let's leave it as 12 out of 20 first. Let us not simplify it now, okay? Just let us work it the way it is until when we get to the final answer, then we can simplify it, okay? So let's finish this up. So now, he planted, now this is 12 out of 20 acres that he bought. He planted tomato on 7 out of 20. So tomatoes, he planted it on 7 out of 20. Now corn will now be what? You know? So out of this 12, from this 12 out of 20, he took 7 out of 20 to plant tomatoes, and then the remainder, he planted corn. So what fraction did he plant corn on? What fraction? So this will now be 12 out of 20 minus 7 out of 20. They have the same denominator. This will be 12 minus 7 out of 20, which is 5 out of 20. And then at the final answer, you can then simplify. What is the GCF of 5 and 20? It is 5. 5 divided 5 is 1. 5 divided 20 is 4. So he planted corn on 1/4 acre. 1 out of 4 acre. Okay? All right. The last one. Chukwuemeka's charities raised 7 out of 12 of their fundraising goal in the morning. By afternoon, they received a donation of 11 out of 12 of their goal. So that's a good thing. That means they surpassed their goal. The question says, by what fraction was their goal surpassed? Right? So in the morning, they raised 7 out of 12 of their goal. Afternoon, they raised 11 out of 12 of their goal. So altogether, they met 7 plus 11 out of 12, which is 18 out of 12 of their goal. So they surpassed their goal. Okay, now if they met 12 out of 12 of their goal, that means 100%. They met 100% of their goal. But in this case, they surpassed their goal. All right. Now, let us not bother simplifying now until we get to the final answer, then we can simplify it. So, by what fraction was their goal surpassed? Okay, now, when meeting their goal, 100% of their goal is what? When will you say that that the fundraising goal has been met? The fundraising goal has been met when you get all the money that you plan to raise, okay? When you get all of it, okay? That is when you've met 100% or 12 out of 12 of the goal. So 100% of that goal means 12 out of 12, okay? Now, so amount of surplus, okay, or fraction, you can say fraction of surplus, or fraction by which their goal was surpassed, okay, fraction of surplus, or fraction by which their goal was surpassed. Okay? What will it be? It will be 18 out of 12 minus 12 out of 12, which is 18 minus 12 out of 12, which is 6 out of 12. What is the GCF of 6 and 12? It is 6. 6 divided 6 is 1. 6 divided 12 is 2. So they surpassed their goal by 1/2. Thank you so much for listening.